Bitcoin wants to claim the $90,000 range, ladies and gentlemen. We can see Bitcoin is pretty much just hovering at the $83 to $85 mark, and I generally do think that we're gonna hopefully, as long as there's no tariffs or nothing crazy, hopefully we can get back to the $90,000 range sometime next week. Now, guys, let's take a look. It's your boy Crypto RJ back with your daily Bitcoin update. Now, for those that don't know, Bitcoin is my largest holding. It is the one true cryptocurrency, and if I was to start a religion, which I never would, but starting one around Bitcoin doesn't seem like a bad idea because of how powerful this coin really is. Now, Bitcoin, guys, at $84,000, 772. Sorry, 88. Whoa, that was not English. $84,772.97. There we go. In the past week, guys, they're still up, 6.5%. And like I said, they've pretty much been flirting with this like $82 to like $85 range. Almost hit, we hit 86 at one point. But guys, I want to get back to the 90s, okay? Now, we did have a little bit of a flash crash earlier on this month, if you guys remember, when Donald Trump decided to Hitler the markets. But overall, guys, I am still bullish and think we're going to have a lot of things going on this next couple of weeks, I say, okay? Now, let's look at the TLDRs. First off, Bitcoin activity surges on decentralized exchanges after U.S. regulatory changes boost investor confidence. Pretty cool. Now, Babylon unstaked 14,000, basically 15,000 Bitcoin worth 1.2 billion, highlighting significant market movement. Hopefully they don't nuke the charts. Quantum computing challenges Bitcoin security. We already talked about this, yada, yada, yada. Now, let's talk about a couple more things. First off, guys, I want to say, if you guys want to get some free money, like literally free tokens for just downloading something, an app on your phone, like on the Play Store, you guys can go ahead and check it out, or the Apple Store. Go ahead and check out the Best Wallet. I'm going to leave a link down below, guys. It's super easy to use. And they're actually doing an airdrop, so you actually get some free best tokens just for participating. And guys, the wallet itself is actually pretty cool. It's fully anonymous, so you don't need any sort of verification, no ID or KYC, and it's pretty secure. And it is, like I said, fully anonymous. So go ahead and check it out, linked down below. Now, guys, if you're a BTC bull like me, let me know in the comments down below, because I love Bitcoin, and I think all the BTC bulls deserve to be appreciated, right? So it looks like Bitcoin might be in the best buy zone of its entire existence. So I'm not too sure what this rainbow indicator is, but it might be a supply and demand like thing. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I honestly couldn't tell you what this is, but it looks like blue is the lowest it's ever been. Is this power law? Again, I don't know. Someone let me know in the comments if you guys do know. But it looks like when it comes to the blues, we're pretty much here and haven't really been here or at like a really good portion of this up until more recently, right? So again, law of diminishing returns does obviously play a factor into this. It looks like we haven't really been into the orange/red ever since like 2019. So again, something to take note of. Okay, again, I'm not too sure what that is. Now it looks like Blackrock has also bought $30 million worth of Bitcoin today, which is super bullish as well. Super cool to see a BlackRock, just continuing like this headline itself is just super cool. A couple of years ago when I first got into Bitcoin, I never would have thought we would have seen this, and here we are now. I also wanted to share Bitcoin is the best money that humanity has ever had. So here's a supply pyramid, right? So we have fiat currency, right? So like actual dollars, which is infinite, they print that shit, whatever. Then you have scarce, right? So gold. The thing is, gold you have to actually carry around. Transporting it and actually using it, for day-to-day transactions is pretty much impossible. And we can see it is scarce, like we don't know when we are going to run out of gold, but we probably will one day. And there is Bitcoin, which is fixed. We already know, hey, there's 21 million Bitcoin out there. Of that, there's maybe 19, 18 million Bitcoin that's still available for people to use. And it's pretty simple. Here's $2 billion in gold, which you can see you probably need a couple Cybertrucks to go ahead and carry this, as opposed to $2 billion in Bitcoin. Hey, all you need is a QR code, internet, and a phone or whatever, a laptop, and there you go. Now, guys, there you have it for today's Bitcoin update. If you guys do enjoy these, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.